maya ko mo mamago ko siya mo mawinga maka ngay mo kala magawa sa mo.
Kasi ka mo muli wala ka fa no fa fa ngaw mo so. Oy fili na magpa ay siya o que sa may limula fangaloa o fangaloa fo yo kele yo le fili pa ole ona fa no ko fa te nga ingei la vai fala lu ko e ka nga yele la au le wa ingei nga mapunga wai ay siya la o sala la wai le
mana yele sila la sunga ton wa ga la ga oe fa mto yele tonga nga nei po to ko nga malanga o balai nga ole filele e yai tanga ko mai avaku ko ole ala ko nga balai sala la wala ole ma faina ole ki ko la ole ole fi nga nei nga ma ko ole de la au ele ma fai ila nga wanga nga e yai tanga ka ole mu nga fa lo ole mu la nga nga ma fa ka la au ngi kala bi le la yele le la ma wala so no ole mu ko nga la nga le e faile ma ko so ta inga malai no na o ye ba ko la kula awa ya kala kula malai wa nya ko le ba ko la le fa ye me ko lin
ka lima iya
ko ngela le a faila wala si fili le fa kai ko kala kula ma ko inga nga ya ko
sai da fa mo de ta mar
ya sai lo tire ma wala o kala fai ko kala me fa pela fa sa ko na ko wa ka ongol le le
ya musa lagi
Edi masalah apa pula ale ko waktu lo nga fa alo mo lo pa kile ya uko la ko
ko kile le fa mo de
sa mo la yo ko iso e tsanga la ba to mali mo jono mo mai sai na ko iko wa ka le la ba to ke ti to wa tsene
na sha pisha ka
le so fai na le sin na la mo to ke ma pa wa me o ku vale le le tsanga ya mas falo
you hear that guys no more swear
yeah.
You know? Just the bad words, don't say it. Inside here.
Don't stand on the house.
This is house.
Just no bad words say inside here. Yeah. Just the bad word. The camera, everything, it's all right.
So what did she say about the legend of the story? What happened with him? Did he appear?
So this is right foot here, and the other one's in Fiji.
Wow, he was big. Maybe he was running.
And the giant Nemoso, he had children. So there were two boys. One was called Ifilili, and one was called Pau. Ifilili and Pau.
Just come stand here.
Oh, Pau or
Come stand in here. Just see how many people Come, stand here. Just see how many people in front of you.
this was ages
You're not going to move.
What happened to his children? What did she say?
Oh, their children still alive, but they encourage people those trees, long trees. It is one of the finest trees in Canada. Good for carving.
And also, what the name of the tree?
Ifilili and Pau.
Fiji. Why is you not listening?
Hello.
So, come on, taste. Mas, listen. Maya, so that's why I want to ask. If the other lakes here, how come the other lakes in Fiji when is it massive?
Oh, Jamaica.
Ma'am, sorry po sa
Stocks.
Yeah? Sili, can you take a photo of us? Move on. Move. Wait. Wait. Hold up.
I'm going to put my smack on too.
Okay, fine.
That's how I got